The overall goal of this procedure is to determine the thermal properties of a sample comprised of sand, water, methane gas, and methane hydrate.
This method can help answer key questions in the gas production technology field, such as gas production simulation from natural methane hydrate. The main advantage of this technique is that it can measure the thermal properties of a synthetic comprised of a gas hydrate, water, gas-to-gas system. Though this method can provide insight into changes in thermal properties of natural gas hydrate-bearing sediment during gas production, it can also be applied to other systems, such as gas hydrate production plants for energy storage media. Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle, because the melting heat of methane hydrate affects the measurement. We first had the idea for this method when we found that the period of completing formation of methane hydrate is much longer than the thermal properties measurement time.
To begin, place the high-pressure vessel on the vibrating table. Pour 1.5 liters of pure water in a water bottle and 4,000 grams of silica sand in a sand bottle. Accurately weigh the masses of sand and water in their respective bottles. Then, pour 1 liter of pure water in the high-pressure vessel with an inner volume of 2,110 cubic centimeters from a water bottle until the water fills half the inner vessel. Turn on the vibrating table to vibrate the entire vessel. Set the vibration rate to 50 Hz and the power supply to 220 watts. Remove the